Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is awake and charged above 15%, plug it in if needed. Open Settings and tap Battery or Battery and Performance immediately. Once done, glance at the top to see which power mode is active so you know what to change. Make sure you can enter your PIN or biometric prompt because some options require confirmation. This gets you straight to the controls without wasting time and ensures the phone won't auto-restrict changes mid-process. You now disable the active power saving options. Tap Power Saving or Power Saver and set it to off so the system stops throttling CPU and network. Then go into Battery Optimization or Background App Management to exempt critical apps from restriction. Once there, change Auto Power Saver, Ultra Saving, and related toggles to off. Also check Adaptive Battery and Low Power Scheduler. Turn off any profiles that auto-enable. These steps restore normal app behavior and performance by reversing the most common aggressive battery rules. Finish by restarting the phone to apply changes and verify apps can run in the background again. You should notice smoother animations and active background sync. Next, revisit Settings Battery to confirm no residual toggles or per app limits remain. If power saving returns unexpectedly, make sure the system is up to date. Then reset app preferences or reset network and system settings as a last resort. This troubleshooting tip fixes glitches where profiles revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.